Welcome back. Let's talk business. Thousands of micro, small and medium-sized enterprises in the Western region have received a significant boost in their quest for financial services and entrepreneurship skills following I&M Bank's decision to open a new branch in Kakamega. Speaking during the branch opening, Cromwell Kedemi, the head of personal banking at I&M Bank, said they are focused on empowering small-scale traders in the region to help them grow their businesses, boost the local economy, and improve their livelihoods.
One of the key things we have done, and especially around this region, we've had SME clinics with our SME customers. One, to train, to enable them to understand how they can grow their business. Three, to also network with customers so that they can see how they can grow their business. But more importantly, we've tailor-made two things for them. One, especially for the sole proprietors, we've also extended the Nisare offering to them. So if they're moving money from their accounts to make payments on Lipa the digital payments, that's free for them.
When you look at the big businesses and corporates, we already bank most of them, right? And as a bank, we felt it's time to expand our footprint and expand our services far beyond the corporate and the business, So the target audience for Kakamega and Western at large, and even as we expand our footprint, is majorly the retail and the MSME customer.
Kenyan exporters